If you are facing problems in doing voiceover, you can't do voiceover in Elevenlabs. So don't worry, I have got solution for you. After watching complete video, your problem will be solved. So before starting the video, if you are new in the channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comments. I will try to solve your confusion without wasting any time and further ado. Let's start our today's video. Go to Chrome browser and open it. And now search for PlayHT. And open this first site. And click on Try for Free. Once you choose it, now here as you can see, here you can sign up or log in with email and Google. So I already have an account. I will log in with Google. Now as you can see its interface, it's pretty simple. As you can see, here you can do voice cloning for free. To clone your voice, you have to record it for 30 seconds. Or upload 30 seconds of audio, and then your voice will be cloned in few seconds. For generating voice, you have to write your script here. After that, click on the Generate button. Let's play the generated voice. How are you doing? Here you get 12,500 characters when you first sign up. I have less, because I already have used them. If you click on the Voices tab, here you can see more than 100 voices that you can use your project. If you want to choose any voice, click on it. Scroll down and click on Confirm. Now as you can see the voice is selected, write your script here. And click on the Generate. Your voice will be generated. Now click on this icon to download the voice. On the top it shows how much characters are used, and it also shows that what will be speaking time. After that here, you can adjust the voice. You can do every kind of voice setting. This was the alternative of Elevenlabs, which you can use without any trouble. This was it for today. If like watching the video, so like the video. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you can watch our latest videos. See you in the next video.